AK sir, your English language tutor.
I reckon मेरा ख्याल है. I reckon they would prefer this menu. In my view मेरे ख्याल में. In my view we should use the bypass. If you ask me अगर मुझसे पूछो तो. If you ask me, iPhone's camera result is better. To my mind, मेरे ख्याल के मुताबिक. To my mind, inflation is the biggest issue today. As far as I am concerned, जहाँ तक मेरा ताल्लुक है. As far as I am concerned, your wife incited the matter. The way I see things, मुझे लगता है कि it seems to me that this is a cheap solution. I believe, मेरा मानना है. I believe this is the best phone you should buy at this price. I would say, मैं तो कहूँगा. I would say this is the best tour of our life. From my point of view, मेरे नुक्ता नज़र से. From my point of view, 9:30 would be better than 9 o'clock. Personally speaking, ज़ाती तौर कहूँगा. Personally speaking, I think the show is going to be a great success. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more informative videos and share with your friends.